So this is the last step in the mockup generator. And what happens here is you can put your customer name. So let's say American Apparel, and the project name is front and back, or let's call it baggy. And this information is fed from your profile. You can always upload it, change it, or you can go to your profile and set it up, and then it's gonna be set in advance. This whole project cost to my customer $200, and I generated this mockup today. Click next step. Basically, I see the summary of everything. Okay, the garment details, how much my customer gonna get from small, from medium, from large, from extra large, the size of the front design, the size of the back design, and the colors in this artwork. And basically, I'm generating the mockup.